The vision I had for the Society in 1976 was a vehicle to be able to provide education to patients and education to the public, and to raise funds for research in gastrointestinal diseases, and to provide a vehicle which was not doctor-driven, but which was patient and public-driven. The purpose of the Society for Patients was to give them written material and audio-visual material that they can take with them. I say to patients, it's not my disease, it's your disease. And the more you know about it, the better you can deal with it. So my role as a physician is not just to diagnose and treat, it's to help you get educated about your disease and then expand that beyond that, because the public has to know and the government has to know, because your support is going to come not just from patients, but from the public and also from the government. So the education has to extend from patient to families to the public to government. I tell people, you know, that the most important organ system in the body is the gastrointestinal system because it has so many functions, I mean, right from the mouth all the way down to the anus, liver and spleen and pancreas and all of that. So it's a very, very broad organ system. And that, again, has enabled the Society to focus on all sorts of intestinal diseases. And that's exciting. And I think the other thing about the GI Society is they've brought in lifestyle and the importance of diet and a dietitian and health and exercise. And they're not just focusing on the doctor aspect, they're bringing in all other aspects of the healthcare system, and that's really exciting too. I started practicing gastroenterology and medicine when there was no ultrasound. And there were no fiber optics. Now with fiber optics, of course, we look in every single part of the gastrointestinal tract. And then as far as Crohn's and colitis is concerned, I was involved in the first studies in the world on the biologics on the anti-TNF drugs. And now that drug, that class of drug, is used for a whole host of autoimmune diseases, just revolutionized how we treat inflammatory bowel disease. So what the future holds, I don't know, because when I first started medicine, I couldn't anticipate ultrasound, fiber optics, and anti-TNF drugs. And so I hope that will be great strides in preventative medicine and gastrointestinal diseases. The crowning achievement of the Society is the recognition that it has. It's recognized by patients, it's recognized by doctors, it's recognized by the pharmaceuticals who think highly of it, and it's recognized by the government who gives financial support. So the crowning achievement is the status that the Society has achieved through the people that have worked and made it what it is.